Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for any construction project: anchor bolts. Specifically, we're focusing on the Reaowazo 260293 and 5/8 x 12-inch anchor bolt, a standout choice in the world of construction hardware. When it comes to securing structures, whether in concrete or wood, having reliable anchor bolts is essential. The Reaowazo 260293 boasts impressive specifications. It features an L-shaped design with robust male threads, perfect for attaching nuts and washers securely. These bolts are crafted from durable metal and are hot-dipped galvanized, ensuring longevity and corrosion resistance, even in demanding environments. Let's break down why these anchor bolts stand out. Firstly, they are designed for versatility. Whether you're working on standard buildings, dams, or any other project requiring secure anchoring, these bolts deliver. The 5/8 inch diameter and 12-inch length make them ideal for both small and medium-scale applications. One of the standout features of the Reaowazo 260293 is its suitability for use in both wood and concrete. This versatility is a huge plus for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering flexibility without compromising on strength. Installing these anchor bolts is straightforward, but remember to position them before pouring concrete for optimal results. This ensures they integrate seamlessly into your structure, providing a reliable anchor point for years to come. When comparing anchor bolts, the Reaowazo 260293 shines not only in performance but also in value. Priced competitively, especially when considering its quality and durability, it's clear why this product has earned its spot as a top choice among professionals. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best anchor bolts for concrete that combine reliability, durability, and ease of installation, look no further than the Reaowazo 260293. It's a product that delivers on its promises and exceeds expectations. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on these anchor bolts and ensure your next project is built to last. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.